I must say that I like this mini kit, this Retouch kit. It's just simple instructions. It has enough. We always complain about the amount of the conditioner in the sachet. This is better than most. And then you just have this already mixed for you. Comes in nice packaging. I really like it. And then they have the gloves. I mean, what else do you need? I just love it. It's enough. You can buy 2 boxes and then do one half of your hair with that. Maybe a quantity could be more, but it's a recolored kit. But I really love it. I buy it all the time. Give it a try.